Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem faced by SwiftUI developers. The issue at hand involves a jumping content layout when a LazyHStack is nested inside a ScrollView. Specifically, when a button is placed within a VStack, a strange, jumping behavior occurs upon display, especially when scrolling slowly. This problem is noticeable on iOS 18, particularly on an iPhone 16 Pro simulator. The strange part is that this issue does not manifest in Xcode previews, making it a tricky one to catch. Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. By simply adding .geometryGroup to the VStack containing the button, the issue magically disappears. That's right, just like that. This small tweak seems to do the trick and resolves the jumping content layout problem entirely. So, if you ever encounter a similar issue with nested LazyHStack and ScrollView components, remember to reach for .geometryGroup and watch the problem vanish into thin air. To wrap it up, we've successfully tackled the jumping content layout issue that plagued our SwiftUI design. By adding .geometryGroup to the problematic VStack, we've restored peace and harmony to our layout. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!